Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of Inroad EGLT and I will give you my next long duration targets, my next medium duration target and my next immediate short term target for the Inroad EGLT. And please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. Links are in this video's description and please thumbs up the like button. Here you can see this is the Inroad EGLT page of CoinGecko and it is currently trading at $194 price and it increased 9.8% within 24 hours. This is the market cap of the EGLT and this is the 24-hour trading volume and circulating supply and 24-hour low and high prices of this. Let me please show you some statistics and price and market statistics of EGLT. Here you can see EGLT give 438% within just in 30 days. Here you can see. Here you can see the market dominance. It is at 0.25% and trading volume. Here you can see this is the 24-hour low price and this is the 24-hour high price. This is the 7 days low price and 7 days high price and currently rank is 19 and this is the all-time high $214 of the EGLT and this is the all-time low $6.51. It is the all-time low and it gives 2,977% within 4 months. It was launched at October 7, 2020. Here you can see this. Let me please show you the graph. Here you can see very parabolic chart and let me please show you the markets and pairs. These are the markets and pairs: Binance, Crypto.com, OKX and some other exchanges. If you want to trade EGLT on Binance, then please go to in this video's comment section or go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to get $600 bonus, then click on this link and create your Bybit account within 30 seconds. And after depositing these, you can get $600 bonus absolutely free. Let's focus to the chart. Let me please show you the chart of EGLT USDT. Here you can see this is the EGLT Tether US 1 day chart, and here you can see it is currently trading at $192 price level. Here you can see very parabolic move in this coin, and I'm going to tell you my immediate short-term target as well as my medium and long duration targets too. Let me please tell you my immediate short-term target for the EGLT right now. For this we have to take this tool, which is fib retracement. Here you can see we have to put at the here you can see EGLT reject from that level, which is $220 level price level, and let me please show you my next target. If EGLT close 4-hourly or day candle above $220, then our next target of EGLT will be 336. This is very realistic target, I think, and it will definitely EGLT will hit this target in very short time, I think so. But the main question is that we have to buy EGLT from that price or we have to wait. Let me please tell you. Let me please show you some support and resistance levels of this EGLT. Let me please show you. Here you can see these are some support and resistance levels of EGLT. EGLT is currently at its all-time high, and I think it is not a good decision if you buy EGLT from that point. I think we have to wait. I think EGLT must have to dip and must have to go to this level, I think, which is $66 level, and after that you can buy it for the long-term basis. If you want to buy EGLT from $190 level or maybe $200 price level, I think this will not a good decision of you. You have to wait for this. Let me please show you some medium duration targets for the EGLT right now. Please friend, like this video and please share your support to me because I am definitely going to tell you my very realistic target. I think these targets are very realistic, and let me please show you. I think we have to buy or we have to hold EGLD from that level, which is at $85 to $60 level. These are very good levels to buy EGLD. We have to wait. I think it will dip and it will go down to this level. I am very sure that it will go down to $85 price level, and after that you can buy it. If you buy EGLD from that point, which is not an investment or financial advice, because trading is very risky and cryptocurrency is always very risky, so buy or trade at your own risk. I will not be responsible for any of your losses. So please take care of your money by yourself too. Let me please show you. We have to look at tool fab retracement, and sorry for that. Let me please show you next target. I think the main area where you have to buy EGLD is that I think $55 level or maybe $85 level. It is the best area. You have to buy or hold from that point. If you hold or if you buy EGLD from $85 to $87 price level, then put your stop loss at this zone, and at $50 or $52 price level, put your stop loss. Then our next target, I think definitely it will going to hit this very soon, and it will hit all-time high within some days after when you buy it. I think it will give you 217% profit, 115% profit, and it will hit $220 level very soon after the dip, I think so. And let me please tell you my realistic target. I think in 6 months it have to hit this level. This is very realistic, I think, and definitely it have to hit this level very. $550 price is my next target. This is the target of 3 months to 6 months, and if you hold EGLD for 6 months, definitely it will hit this level very soon, and will give you 900% profit, and will hit $1,000 price level within, I think, 6 months. And my next target for the EGLD for 1 year or 1.5 years, let me please tell you. I think it should have to hit $1,500 or $1,400 level within 1 year to 1.5 years. These are the very realistic targets. I think 1,500 is the most accurate target. I think it should have to hit $1,500 price level within 1.5 years. I think the best time to buy EGLD is at best price level. You have to wait and you have to buy is $80 to $85 price level. After that you should have to hold this for 1 year or 1.5 year, and it will definitely give you 1,000 to 1,200% or maybe 1,300% profit within 1 year to 1.5 year. These are very realistic target for me, to all of you. If you buy a EGLD from $80 to $85 price level and put your stop loss at 52% at $52 price, then your risk will be just 40%, and after 1 year or 1.5 year you will get 1,600 to maybe 1,500 to 1,600% profit. Risk will be just 40%, you can say, and reward will be 1,500 to 1,600% if you hold one EGLD for 1 year or 1.5 year. This is very realistic target, and if you hold EGLD for 6 months, then definitely I think it should have to hit $900 price target, and will have to give you a 900% profit. These are very realistic targets right now. And if you think this video is very useful, this video is profitable or useful to all of you, then please like this video, and please share this video to all of your friends. And if you want to join Binance Exchange, then go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, and just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.